Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we'll be discussing about how to integrate ImageMagick library inside your .NET C# application to actually carry out conversions such as image to PDF, PDF to images, image to SVG, all sort of conversions. It's a ImageMagick. If you don't know, it's an open source library work which is designed to actually work with images. So if you just search on Google, this is their official website, ImageMagick, and they also have their own CLI tool as well. You can install it inside your machine and then you can install use it on a command line. But inside .NET there is a separate package which is available to actually use this the library ImageMagick. To now this package is really simple. I will show you step by step on how to integrate this. So I have this Visual Studio. So first of all, you need to go to Nugget Manager, which where you'll be installing third-party packages inside your C# application, manage Nugget solution. So in the browse section, you need to simply select, simply search ImageMagick. Simply type, and the very first package which comes, this is actually the package magic.net. I can see it has got 22.6 million downloads, so it's a pretty popular package, and it's a .NET API for the ImageMagick image processing library for desktop and web. So here you can use this library in order to actually design applications inside your .NET or C# to actually use this library to carry out conversions. So now to use this, we will be using this ImageMagick. So ImageMagick, we have included this package at the very top, and we also need the system module as well. And then we will be writing a simple program, command line program, and it will have a static void main function. So right here, ImageMagick basically is an image processing library. First of all, let me show you a very basic example. I will load a input image which is present inside my images directory. So what I will do, I will simply say using magic image, which is actually a class inside this package. So what this will do, let me just turn on the. So magic image is a class, you can see, that represents an ImageMagick image. So now to load a image file, we will be making a constructor of this. We will be saying new magic image, and here you need to provide the location of your image. So wherever the location is, so my image is located in the images directory like this. So what we have done, guys, we have instantiated a new instance of this class magic image. We have provided inside this constructor is the location of the image which we are working with. So if I show you my location, it is actually present in my root directory. So in my project, we have this images folder. If you see inside this images folder, we are storing this 1.png, 2.jpg. So we are working with this image. So we are referencing this image right here, images/1.png. After that, we need to basically set or convert to any format. Let's suppose if I want to convert this image to PDF, we can simply say image.format, and here we can initialize magic format class, and you can see that it has various options. PNG, if you drag down, basically it has all the options. PNG, you can see all these options are there. So one such option is for PDF. So you simply say PDF. So now we can simply save this image as PDF. So for that we will simply say image, and it has got a function called as write. So this function will allow us to actually convert this to PDF. So images slash, and then the output file that you want to do. So output.pdf, simply semicolon, that's all. Now these 3 lines of code, guys, first of all we load the image by using the magic image constructor, then we change the format to any format that we want. So we changed it to PDF, and then lastly we are using the write method to actually save this location, images/output PDF. So if you run this file, so nothing happens here, but if you now see, it has created this output file, output PDF. If I try to open this, you will see my image is successfully converted into the image. You can see that. So similarly, if you want to reference the JPG image, you will say 2.jpg, and now it will change that the JPG image. So now it is got the JPG image, you will see that. So it can convert PNG, JPG, every extension is supported. So let's suppose if you don't want to convert to PDF, you can convert this to SVG. So SVG format, you will see that SVG format is also there, and now you can change this to output.svg and run this file. So you will basically see it will change this image to scalable vector graphics. You will see it has created this file output.svg. So this library is completely free, guys. It is not a paid API. Most of the .NET APIs are paid, but this is a free library. It's an open source library. You can just see it has converted this to SVG. You can just see you can convert your images to PDF, SVG, or any format. Let's suppose I want to convert this into a different format, PNG. I can select PNG, and now you can just convert this image to PNG. So again, run this. You can make a image converter really easily. You will see that my image is successfully converted to PNG format. So if you want to make an image converter website, image to PDF website, this library is very helpful. You can use it inside your .NET application to build web applications as well. So it was just a mini crash course about this library, how to integrate this inside your .NET C# application. You can read more about it, the documentation as well. So you can just see all these. You can also convert this into PSD file as well, Adobe Photoshop bitmap. So you can just see how much free methods are available. You can use these methods to actually create websites. So I just wanted to show you how to get started with this. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.